Every OpenClaw tutorial out there is about automating your business or writing content. But what if you don't have one? What if you just want a personal AI assistant that sends you a morning brief with today's weather, news, and tasks, manages your expenses, helps you journal, and just makes your life easier? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use OpenClaw to automate my personal life and how you can set it up yourself.
1, 2, 3, go!
Most people don't journal because sitting down and typing kind of feels like work. So I built myself a voice journal system in Telegram where I can just record a voice message and my agent will transcribe that and save it into a daily markdown file. And at the end of the day, sends me a journal entry with the key highlights and things I should focus on tomorrow. To set this up, you'd need to install FFmpeg for audio format conversion. Then download this OpenAI Whisper skill from ClawHub, which will install a local speech-to-text model for a completely free setup. And finally, create a new topic called Voice Journal and paste in this prompt. By the way, all the prompts and a step-by-step guide on how to create a multi-topic Telegram setup for OpenClaw you can find in my Telegram channel, link in the description down below. Now, a wallet system is one of my personal favorite use cases. Similar to the previous one, I have a separate wallet topic in a group with my agent, and every time I make or spend any money, I just tell about it here, and the agent will log it automatically, keep track of my balance, and by the end of the month, I have a full picture of where my money went and where it came from. It creates a wallet folder where it stores these monthly markdown files with all the transactions made during the month, categorized by date, type, amount, description, and category, and my current balance at the top, which is updated after every transaction I send. And setting this up is very simple. All you need is just to go to your group and create a new topic. Give it a name, like wallet, and choose a nice emoji. Then simply paste in this prompt. From now on, you just need to remember to tell your agent every transaction you make. And to make it even more useful, you can improve the current setup with more advanced functionality, like setting up a cron job on the first of every month, so your agent reads the last month's wallet file and sends you a summary that'll look like this. I know, everybody is talking about the morning brief, and for a good reason. Every morning I wake up and my agent sends me all the information I need to start my day. The current weather, because I'm going for a morning walk, AI news that happened while I was asleep, and it looks through my calendar and to-do app to tell me exactly what tasks I have for today, and which of those it can do for me. To set this up, all you need is this single prompt, and make sure your agent runs 24/7. The best way to do it is to run it using maxclaw, which is the easiest and most affordable way to deploy an OpenClaw agent on a server without dealing with technical VPS setups built by Minimax. It runs 24/7 using their latest minimax M2.7 model, which was specifically built for this kind of agentic work. The cool part about it is you just need to click Start Now. Choose any pre-built configuration if you want to, and click I'm ready. Your agent is up and running in literally 2 clicks. They also have hundreds of skills built by Minimax and the community to extend your agent's capabilities, as well as thousands of experts, which are basically pre-configured agents already set up for a specific job. So instead of building everything from scratch, you just pick one that fits your needs and it's ready to go. And with maxclaw Team, you can run multiple agents at the same time, working together on different tasks. Click the first link in the description and shout out to maxclaw for sponsoring this video. The most annoying thing that can happen to you is getting charged for a subscription you forgot to cancel. So I have a dedicated subscriptions topic set up where I just send a short message every time I purchase a new subscription, and my agent stores that data in a subscriptions.md file and sets up a cron job to send me a reminder the day before the renewal date so I don't forget to cancel it if I want to. You can also merge it with our previous wallet setup to keep it clean, but just in case you want it separate, here's how you can set it up. Go to your Telegram group with your agent and create a new topic. Give it a name like subscriptions and choose an emoji. Paste in this prompt and the agent will set everything up for you. Then just tell it about all the subscriptions you currently have, and that's pretty much it. Sometimes when I want to learn something or read an article, I could be on a walk, driving, or in some other situation where reading isn't so convenient. For that case, I have a dedicated topic called Listen, where I can just drop any piece of text or even a link to an article, and my agent converts it into an audio file that I can listen to.
Quick reminder that liking this video takes 2 seconds and makes a huge difference. Just saying.
To set this up, open up Terminal and run this command, clawhub install sag, which will install a sag skill, giving your agent the ability to use 11 labs. Now, in your Telegram group, create a new topic called listen and paste in this prompt. Lastly, you'd need to replace this placeholder with your actual API key. Open up 11 Labs and go to Developers. Here, click Create an API key, then Create Key and disable the restrictions. Give it a name and click Create Key. Now, copy it and replace the placeholder with the key you've just copied. After you've sent it, the agent will set everything up for you. Now, you can send any piece of text to it and it'll turn it into an audio file you can listen to.
On March 31st, the latest version of Anthropic's Claude code shipped to the NPM registry with a source map file that should have been excluded from the package.
Or even paste in a link to an article and you'll get a similar result.
Soul.md, a meditation on AI identity. In December 2025, researchers discovered that Claude, Anthropic's AI assistant, could partially reconstruct an internal document used during its training.
I've been having some issues with my stomach lately, and I realized I had no idea what was causing it. So I set up a dedicated health topic where I just log what I eat and how I feel throughout the day, and my agent saves everything in a markdown file and does the pattern analysis for me. Every morning, midday, and evening, it sends me a reminder to log my meals and any symptoms I'm feeling. And every Sunday, it analyzes the whole week and tells me things like which foods correlate with feeling bad, whether there are time of day patterns, and what the likely triggers are. Basically, replacing apps that people pay for monthly. To set this up, create a new topic called Health Tracker and just paste in this prompt. The last one is something I think everyone can relate to. If you ever tried to learn any habit and failed, that's probably because nobody was controlling you. But with OpenClaw, we can build a proactive agent that keeps track of the habits you're trying to learn, reaching out to you and asking how your day went and reminding you of the habits you need to complete. Every single day, it'll ask you if you completed each habit, and when you confirm, it responds with your current streak. But if you miss, it doesn't guilt trip you. It just acknowledges it and reminds you why you started. And every Sunday, it sends you a weekly summary with your completion rates, longest streaks, and one pattern it noticed. To set this up, open up your Telegram group with your agent and create a new topic called Habit Tracker. Now, start by pasting this prompt to define your habits and check-in schedule. Then, you can set up the tracking and tone based on how you'd like the agent to talk to you and what motivates you more. And finally, add weekly reports on Sunday at 10 a.m. with a completion rate for each habit, current streaks, best day, and worst day, and so on. And that's it. These are all the use cases I actually use to automate my personal life. Don't forget to grab all the prompts used in this video in my Telegram channel. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.